How I made a Honeycomb Mermaid Aurora Tumbler.
1. Print a pattern on printable vinyl. 2. Seal it with 3 coats of clear spray sealer and then lightly sand. 3. Apply it to your already prepped tumbler, making sure there are edges of the tumbler showing. 4. Smooth vinyl as you go to prevent bubbles. 5. Use a marker to fill in any pattern gaps. 6. Apply adhesive and your stones in a row, being careful to create a straight foundation row that you will build upon. Seven. Build row on row, setting the stones in the groove of the row below. 8. Keep going until complete. Let adhesive cure for 7 days, then wash it and show it off.